Hello again. In the description to this video, I give a link to the website of a company called Watch This Space, which is, it seems, an inclusion consultancy, whatever that might be. They are, it seems, passionate about building a more equal society, one that benefits from the individual voices and unique perspectives that make humanity so richly diverse. What's more? Yes. We want to empower people who have previously felt silenced or excluded to take on leadership roles and take their seat at the table. In short, they are what is sometimes known in the United States as race grifters. And they are a bit worried about Christmas parties, especially those held in offices. They claim that if you bring people together, provide free alcohol and a party atmosphere, it can lead to things going wrong. Most people have a horror story about accidents, injuries, bullying or bad behaviour at a work social event. These events can lead to exclusionary behaviour, harassment, people falling over or getting injured. Sometimes there are things that happen which lead to embarrassment in the workplace afterwards. All too true, I'm afraid. I have vivid recollections of falling over at an office party where there was indeed free alcohol. It certainly resulted in embarrassment in the workplace later, to say the very least of it. This is one reason that I haven't drunk alcohol for over 40 years now. Of course, this does not mean that I wish to stop others drinking alcohol or not to hold parties. The inclusion consultancy, though, is worried that people like me might not enjoy parties because we don't drink. They say, consider perhaps someone who doesn't drink alcohol, which can be for a variety of reasons. At a social event, they might have to endure the endless come on, relax and have a drink comment all evening. For some people, it's just that they don't wish to socialise with people they work with at all. Some people prefer to keep their work and social life separate, and they might want to spend their precious free time with friends and family over work colleagues. This is absolutely raving mad, of course. I don't drink, and I seldom go to parties. So what? That's my choice and my business. Nobody's excluding me. If I wanted to drink alcohol, I could, but I choose not to. Why on earth should anybody else alter their plans because of my own peculiar lifestyle? Should they really cancel their parties because I might feel excluded because I don't want to go there? I've never heard anything like this in my life. This, however, is just what they should be doing, it seems. Watch This Space suggests that instead of a Christmas party at the office, other ideas should be explored. Instead of all that drinking alcohol at an office party at Christmas, with of course the ever-present chance of falling over and coping with the embarrassment in the workplace the following day, how about this idea instead? Good ideas we have seen from different employers are things like beliefs days, to celebrate and learn about different beliefs. No, I'm not making that up. You can see if you follow the link I give. Imagine that, instead of having the annual piss up at the office, they'll be suggesting that you'll have a beliefs day and you'll go and visit a mosque or a synagogue or something instead. What a joyless and lacklustre life we would all live if we followed the advice of such people. It's true I don't care to drink or smoke these days, but imagine if I use that as grounds for disapproving of other people going to the pub or holding parties and claim that it made me feel excluded. Idiots.